Right, day 69. Took a couple of bad trades last night, so we came into today really, the account was about 400 quid down. Looking at the 5-minute chart, big wick on the previous candle played into the momentum on the next candle. This obviously was taken a little while ago. But yeah, it was a good trade. Yeah. Yeah, so this one pretty much was very similar. We had this big long wick off the EMA, and yeah, we're just anticipating a drop back down to the 50 EMA. Yeah, no wrong with this one. This one again playing into the same principle, really. Big wick on the previous 5-minute candle, wicked off the 50 EMA, and now we're coming down. Yeah, moving my stop in to take profit, and yeah, same thing. Right, trading the ES now. Don't really know why, but we are. Took a short through VWAP. Aiming for the 200 EMA. So yeah, another decent trade, to be fair. So I think by this point we weren't making big money on the trades, but we were just grinding our way back to break even at this point. So yeah, so far so good. This one we just got into early and we ended up getting stopped out, but as you can see, the market's getting very choppy now. A lot of big wicks going on. Really, we shouldn't, say we shouldn't be trading it. We had this idea that the market was coming down, it was coming back to the opening range, which it did. It did. But yeah, just very wicky, very coming back on itself. This week has not been a good week for the markets, I'm afraid. It just really hasn't. So with this one, there was quite a lot of momentum to the downside, and I was looking at the 10-second chart. There was a little bit of a bear flag created on there, and I took the trade hoping for continued momentum straight through, and it didn't. So it started pulling back a little bit. Luckily, not too much. I didn't have to sit through too much of drawdown. I was trying to aim for the middle of the opening range, but yeah, it just lost its legs a little bit. It had already made quite a big move down, to be fair, but yeah, I think today, yeah, today we came off the back of some really bad trades the night before. They weren't even bad. They just got stopped out, basically. The market's been very, yeah, I can't really blame the market too much. I think my problem this week so far has been frustration and trying to trade every candle because I'm frustrated with it, which obviously is never really going to work. And then this one really did just sum up my trading this week. So we've got that nice break of a bear flag there. We tried to come back, rejected off the top of the opening range high, and yeah, I was anticipating a retest of the middle of the opening range. The ES had already dumped straight through, hit its opening range, the middle of its opening range. So I just thought the Nasdaq would follow in a similar fashion, and it didn't. It didn't at all. Actually, it completely. Oh no, this is the ES. Oh, gee, well, anyway. Anyway, yeah. We ended up. Yeah, we got stopped out on this one. Yeah. I think on the face of things, we took some okay trades today. The first few were decent because there was actually a substance to them. There was logic behind them. Then there was logic behind this one as well. It just wasn't really ready to go. This obviously did go, so this was the ES, and this did go. This did flush to the middle of the range. Just there's no real continuation to the moves, and the moves came so quick and so unexpected. You couldn't really trust them. Yeah, been really choppy, and I feel like every time the 5 minute chart hasn't really been respecting the previous candle's price action as well. Like it's putting in really big wicks and then just retracing them immediately, and it's like, what? So I don't know. Yeah, needless to say, we ended up a bit of nonsense later, and this account's way down.